Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I am doing forgot to put this part open. I am doing an unboxing for my 2023 Infinite Lotus pre-order. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I did get some stuff to kind of supplement my planner. Plus, I like Infinite Lotus stuff. I got quite a bit of things for my A5, so I wanted to get some for my main planner. Gonna pull this out. Oh, I like this packaging. Put the box down. So, ooh, look. They done got fancy with the packaging. So, there we go. Oh, cool. I think I got one of these the last time. And it says planner owner. Then you could put your name, your contact, and the memo. So I could put that in a different planner than my other one. I have an October card and another thank you card. I'll probably put this one in my work planner. And here's a thank you card. So those are the freebies. So these are the first thing that I got. I got the weave design because I like them. I like the texture of it, and it adds some zhuzh to my planner. So I got these calendar cards to put in my planner so I can keep track of the month. I really like these, and I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to put these. More than likely, I'll put them in my main planner, but they'll probably look nice in my business planner too. But I like these. These are more than likely go in my main planner. So I got these. Oh, yeah, it has the 01, it has the January 2023, and then you got Monday, with a Monday start, go all the way through Sunday. Then you have all of the weeks in here. They have the plain ones, but even on the back, you get the same like weave kind of design. And again, the texture feels really good. And look at how the dark the lettering is on here for it to pop out like that. Here's what February will look like. So you get all 12 months in there. So that's the first thing that came out. And so the next thing I got are these, I'm pretty sure y'all seen these 1,000 times. These are the Infinite Lotus months on one page. So what they look like. I think I'm going to put them in my personal section to keep track of my my workouts and stuff like that. I don't know. I haven't made my mind yet because I can track like what I've actually done in the cloth and paper planner set that I got, but I could actually like plan out my workouts that I want to do for the month on these. So I got these. That's the plan, to use them for that, but who knows what'll happen. And so, oh, they must be double-sided. So let me turn this around. I want it to be a surprise. Surprise, surprise. All right, let me take them out. I'm just gonna take out one. Yeah, so it looks like they are double-sided. Yep. So you get January here. And then you get February here. The paper feels really nice. And then on the bottom, it has this month. And then it has like check boxes, so you can put like what you want to do for this month. And check boxes here to check it off. The boxes are pretty decent size. So this is what it looks like. And if I decide to go back to school, I can always use these for school as well. I'll put this back off camera. Oh, let me see if I can get it in here. Oh, pretty easy. Normally with the mushroom hole stuff, sometimes when you try to put the stuff back, like it just did, it get caught on each other. But ta-da, that was fairly easy. Next thing I have is the 2023 weekly. I actually like the cover for these weeklies. I'm gonna take these out. Oh, sorry. We're being shaky, so we can actually look at these. This is 2023 weekly. So it has 2023. It has weekly. And here it has the number of it. MN023CH. And then on the spine, like everyone else, it has Infinite Lotus. So this is what they look like. I actually like the cover of their weeklies. On the back, it's just plain. I do like the way their paper feel. So I have these same exact covers for my business plan, but I just got them separately. But this apparently comes with the weeklies, which is cool. So it starts here with this cover. You can make notes and stuff, which I really like, and it has 01. It actually, in Roman numerals, it has 2023, which is actually pretty cool. It has 2023. In Roman numerals. So it has 01, so you know what month you are in. And it starts December 26th, which I think most planners start the 26th because the 1st is on a Sunday. Unless you have a Sunday start, they may actually start with the 1st. So I got Monday start. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use these with my, what's that thing called, social media. I think I'm going to use these with my social media planner because the one that I want to get doesn't have weeklies with it. So I think I'm going to use these for my social media. The boxes aren't too small. I can add whatever information I need to add in here. And I can kind of like break it down between whatever I want to. And this is a week on one page. So this is what this look like. And we're going to... So then it gets... The last page just ends here. And then you get back to... Got February. And then you got January 30th to 31st. And then it goes into February. So this seems like that is what the pattern is. Yep. So it goes like this all the way to January. Well, December 11. And let's see, 12. And it has no pages for the very last page. And it goes all the way, and perfectly to December 31st. So this planner, the calendar actually goes all throughout the whole year. So these are pretty cool. I wanted to give Infinite Lotus weeklies a chance because I don't have any weeklies like this. All my other weeklies look vastly different. And then I can kind of like choose. So if I want to like, instead of putting my hourly on my weeklies, if I want to like use these for the weeklies and do something else for the weeklies with my planning, with my social media planning, I can do that as well. So let me put these back in here. There we go. So next, I'm going to go ahead because it's already been seen. I have the 2023 Vellum. So here is my idea for the front of my planner. Instead of getting, I have the cloth and paper that's like this one in the front. So I plan on putting this in front of the cloth and paper one, and it'll kind of, to get that, it'll kind of look like this. This is how I want it to look with the 23 over this. So it won't be necessarily this one, it'll be cloth and paper one, but the same kind of look will apply. So here you got 2023, and then it has 2023 in Roman numerals, 2023, 2023, spells it out. Then there's a big 3 here. It kind of cuts off right here. Then there's a big 2, and it like cuts off on here. But I really like this. This is like so classy. It's really nice. So this is what I got for my 23 Vellum. I had something else in mind to get, but when I seen this, I knew my something else in mind to get wasn't the something else that I wanted to get anymore. That's kind of how that went. And the Vellum is actually pretty thick too, for the record. It's really thick. So last but definitely not least, I got the quarterly overview. So I was going to get cloth and papers, but I was like, let me give Infinite Lotus quarterly overview a try to see like the differences, because I had the ones for this year. I have cloth and paper, but I want to kind of see the difference to see which one flows better with what I want. So this has the calendar, the year at a glance calendar here. And this is what it looks like. Again, 2023 Roman numerals, 2023. And then it has January all the way through December. And then on the back here, you get the, again, at Roman numerals 2023 in a year. You get January through June for the first 6 months of the year. You're going to have to break this down by quarters if you like. So this is what this looks like. Then you get the rest of the year on this page. Again, it has this design up here. The font is really nice. It's really minimal. It's not too big. The lines aren't too thick. And then here, when you turn it over, you get the 2023 vision, and you got your top goals, and it breaks it down into quarters, quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it like makes you kind of like write out what you want your goals to be for each quarter. Like you would use these top goals here to kind of like break down into quarters how you're going to do it. If you're planning on achieving like goals by a certain time, you would put like most like 1 and 2. You would put whatever 1 and 2 was if you need to have them done by this quarter. So then you break your quarterly goals down. And then this reminds me of the Elmont Paper Co. Like how hers look. But the font and stuff is different. But it just reminds me of that kind of design. One thing I do like about cloth and paper, the lines go this way. I like that better. It gives me more room to take notes and stuff like that. But this is fine too. So it has January through, you got the first quarter here, January through March. And then you got quarter 1, 2023. And then it has a quarterly review. Quarter 1, accomplishments, improvements, and notes. I do like this. So you can kind of like see where you're at the end of the quarter. And I'm guessing it's the same. Yep, for quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. So I do like that it gives you a review of your quarters. And then you can like use this to like track whatever you want to for whatever quarters. Like if you have certain goals, you can color code it or whatever. But I really do like this. I'm enjoying the things that I've gotten. I hope you guys enjoy this haul and enjoy the things that I got. I hope you guys, if you see anything that you like, check out Infinite Lotus. You can find a promo code from somebody who has one. I don't have one. I just like their stuff. But this is what I've gotten for This is what I purchased for 2023. My planner is almost ready. There's 2, possibly 3 more things that I want to get, but I'm waiting to see what comes in our cloth and paper box before I order one of the 3 things. But there's 2 other things for sure that I want to order, and they are from Point Hun. So we'll see what happens if I don't decide to make some changes with some other stuff. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to belabor the hour. It's late for me. I don't know when you're watching this. It might not be late for you, but it's late for me, and I'm tired. I've had a very, very long day. Don't forget to rate this video with a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. And hit the notification bell. I'll see you in another video. Peace.